Thutha wa kuria arumiriri yake magomera githurano gya gucokerwo tauri igoti ikaru riathanite riu mutongoria wa ngwataniro Raila Odinga ni umukanitie riendekithia riake.
What we are calling for requires a longer time, and in the meantime we need to have an interim arrangement of governance which will involve representatives from both parties. We think that maybe 6 months would be required to carry out all these changes that we need in this country in order to have a proper, free and fair election.
Ni miario iria umukanitie ceceni imwe ya kibururi akigiritania na gukorwo ati githurano gitie tabaniro icigo-ini iria anyitagwo baru thutha wake gucogera muingi ndukanyite itemi akiuga IBC ndiari nginyaniru gutabania githurano kiu.
In this repeat poll, they got less than 30% of the electorate voted for him. That is a vote of no confidence. See? So he will be a president for some part of the country, but not the whole country. And that will be most unfortunate. That's why we want to have a discussion ahead of time.
Odinga akioneka kuuga akoretwo akiuga kuna hau kabere arakoretwo akiuga ndari na itanya rĩa gukorwo thirikari ni ya urumwe ona kana kwaraniria na President Kenyatta.
Oktoba nusu mkate hata slice moja hakuna.
No na gukire ogwo abunge ya kiama kia Jubilee ni mareganite na riendekithia ria Odinga makiuga gutirikanya ga thirikari ya urumwe.
I want to state categorically that we are not ready for any negotiation with opposition, and for any legitimate negotiation that could be done. It was already done on 26th of October through the ballot.
Ihinda-inĩ riu atongoria a kuma rũrĩrĩ rwa ikamba matongoretio nĩ ũrĩa warĩ mũmbunge wa mũingĩ ya gatagatĩ Joe Mutambo nĩmokĩrĩire Odinga na mbũtũ yake igũrũ wa rĩtana rĩao rĩa kũgomera indo kana ũtungata ũrĩa wĩgĩmaine na kiama kia Jubilee.
The Kamba community is not party to the products boycott called by the NASA. Product boycott planned by NRM is to scare away investors, lead to closure of businesses, and this is what we cannot allow.
Ngwataniro ya NASA nĩ ĩhĩtĩte kũhotomia wathani wa President Kenyatta kũgerera mbunge cia mũingĩ.
Safaricom! Resist! Resist!
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.